Hey guys, this is Shane here with BrickDriven Realty. Today I would like to talk to you guys about the age-old question, and that question pertains to can I build wealth through real estate investing? So stay tuned. So a question that we get often in our business is, how can you make money through real estate investing? So over the years, people have gotten their start in real estate investing in various ways. Some people have rented out part of their homes, lived with families for a little longer, and maybe worked extra hours to save up enough to start investing. However you make it work, know that the initial effort is worth it. It does pay off in the long run. There are 1,000 different ways you can save money. You just need to get your start. So once you decide to invest, there are 3 main ways that you can take your investment. So first, let's talk about buy and hold. This is the most traditional method. Over time, appreciation will mean that your property goes up in value. You can save up this equity, and all you have to do is wait for it to grow. So let's look at flipping. We hear it all the time. We've seen it all the time. They've made TV shows out of it. This method requires more work, but you can buy a fixer-upper property that has high return potential and then take the time to fix it up. Once it's in better condition, you can sell it for much more than what you bought it for. You just have to have the know-how to do the renovations to ensure the profit, or have resources in the contracting world. Last but not least, let's talk about short-term and long-term rentals. You can buy a property and have a tenant in it for a year or more, or focus on more of your energy and efforts towards short-term rentals like Airbnbs or Verbo, or VRBO as some would call it. These are mainly for vacation rentals and are best in tourist destinations. You'll just need to know the laws of the area and put in the work to be the landlord. This is Shane Kilby with BrickDriven Realty. If you have any other questions about real estate investing, please don't hesitate to reach out to myself or any of our agents or team leaders here at our company. We'd love the opportunity, no strings attached, to help you with any questions that you might have. Please like and share our videos and subscribe to our channel, and stay tuned for more videos to come. Thanks so much and have a great day. Bye-bye.